Are you a little unsure as to what to plant in your vegetable garden next? Well, how about you try some peas? So here in Australia, as we're going into the cooler months, peas are a great vegetable to start growing. I've got myself some honey pod peas, which I'm going to put in the ground today. Peas do like to climb up a trellis or some sort of a structure. So I've got this little bit of a metal structure here that I've purchased from Bunnings quite a while ago, and these peas will climb up it, which will help them succeed and climb towards the sun. So let's put them in the ground, hey? So the first thing we want to do is just start digging holes. They like to be about 5 to 10 centimeters apart, and I'm going to put about 3 in this section. So they're pretty shallow rooted plants, so they don't need to go too deep. So we're just going to squeeze these segments of the seed tray to loosen up the plant. And you can see here I've actually got 2 of our peas in the one, so if I really wanted to, I actually could split this down the middle so I get more plants, but I think I'll just leave them as is so that they can support each other as well. So first things first, choose the spot where you want them to go in the ground. So I'm going to put 5 to 10 centimeter spacings between each of my peas. We're just going to lay them out first, like so. They are quite delicate plants, so just be careful that you don't snap the twigs like I just did. And we're going to leave the rest. I'm going to put them in another section of my garden. So the next thing to do is actually pack them in with soil. So I'm just packing in with the soil that I've removed so that I can plant these guys. Push them in nice and tight. So they're nice and compact. And then you just want to mulch too. So just spread that mulch around so we can trap any moisture that's left in the ground. And the next section the next thing that you can do is actually twine them around the metal structure or trellis that you've got to help support the peas. I'm actually going to use a bit of twine to fix them until they're just to help them grow, as they need to be a little bit taller before they actually start fixing themselves to the trellis. So I will do that shortly after this. So get in the garden and start planting your peas today.